something's weird on the numbers, and I think people are trying to get beta by expressing it through a futures contract. They are not long equities. I'm just letting you know.
You know, I can see that there is a chase to get long, and when they chase to get long, they're not getting long what
With
I keep
conviction.
calling the down and outs. They're all buying the same 10 stocks, and part of it, I think, is that they're buying them because it's a quick way to get exposure. But also, if you're short S&Ps and you want to hedge your short S&Ps, what are you going to buy? You're going to buy the 10 stocks that move the S&P.
Yeah.
I mean, it becomes almost like a...
Yeah, and as you know, rest of the world's been in a huge bull market. 8 out of 10 major countries are at all-time highs, except for the S&P. You know, Japan just hit an all-time high. So why should the U.S. be in a bear market if the rest of the world is in the midst of a raging bull market?
I do it by hand because, seriously, when I got into the business 41 years ago, you didn't have chart machines. We had Quotrons. I mean, if you wanted to look up a news story, you had to walk down the hall to the Dow Jones machine where it printed it out on paper. So you had to keep charts by hand, or you could get them delivered every week, but then you had to update them through the week. So anyway, in 1996, I did try to give them up. My husband and I moved to Asia, and I tried to give it up thinking, well, we've got the internet. I know it was dial-up, and I can look up charts. And anyway, a month later, I didn't feel like I knew what was happening in the market, so I went back to doing it. It's just a feeling you get from putting the pencil to the paper every night.
I think we're like if you think about it, and I've written about this, 1974 to 1981, when the market made no progress. And what happened in 1974? The Nifty 50 bubble was pierced. Similarly, in 2021 and mostly 2022, Cathie Wood's disruptive stock bubble was pierced, and these stocks went down 80 or 90%, just like what happened to Avon and Xerox and the other Nifty 50 companies. So I think we're making this high. I had, as you know, a non-consensus view that the market actually would fare well in the first half. I had no idea it would fare this well. I thought we'd have a high single-digit return, 5 to 10%. It has overshot my expectation. But my view is basically we're in a period of very sluggish growth, which is not valuation friendly, for a period of years.